Hello and welcome to Real GPL. Thank you very much for being our valued customer. Guys, today we'll talk about Listing Pro theme. So if you have bought Listing Pro theme from realgpl.com, then we'll see like how we can install it, and then after installation, how we can import the demo. We'll also see like how we can use this theme. So in general, if you want to create a directory site, then this theme is suitable for you. So first of all, download it, which I already have done. I'm showing you. You can see here the Listing Pro zip file is this. I have unzipped it. After unzipping, I got another folder. Inside that we have live demo content, Listing Pro parent theme, documentation, the child theme, and some add-ons and all. So let me go to my WordPress. Let me click on themes, then click on add new. Then click on upload theme, then choose file, and here you have to choose the parent theme. So I'm going to my respective folder. I will choose the parent one, which is this. Then click on open, then click on install now. As you can see now, the Listing Pro theme is getting installed. It's already unpacked, installed. Okay, so let me click on activate. Once activated, you will be redirected to this page. So just click on start. Now in this step, we have to select a page builder. I'm going with WP Bakery. You can go with Elementor as well. So just click on next. Now install the required plugins. So just click on yes, I am ready. It will install all the required plugins for you. So just wait for it. Now almost all the plugins are installed and we are on next step, that is demo. So I will choose the classic one and then I will click on accept. You can choose other one as well. Then the next step is to import dummy content. So just click on import content, and it might take some time depending on your host performance and your network speed and all. So while it is happening, rather than waiting, I would like to say you something. If you have not joined our membership plan, you must join that, because after joining it, you will be having access to all our products. Plus, we are also offering lifetime deals in which you will get original license, and that too for a lifetime. So you must check it out. We have given the link in the description. Now let's back to the demo content. You can see like the demo content is already installed. Let me go back and check like if the site is properly imported. Yes, you can see like the site is properly imported and we are getting the demo as expected. I have not installed the child theme. So before making any changes to the theme, I will go to appearance, I will go to themes, and then I will go to add new, click on upload theme, choose file, select the child theme, then click on open, then click on install now. This we should have done it earlier, but if we have not done, then it doesn't matter because we have not changed anything on the website and we are doing it right now. So once installed, just click on activate, because the child should be activated, the pattern should be working in the backend. Okay, the child is activated. So I think you got the clear idea, like if you have to install Listing Pro theme, then how we can do it. And if you need any extra support or something, you can create a support ticket or you can comment in the video. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next one. Till then, enjoy your day. Bye bye.